Hello, good morning earnings to all the one who will listen to this presentation. Welcome to TBI Express. TBI means Travel Ventures International Express. So, what is TVI? TVI, Travel Ventures International, is an international travel membership club with distribution in 210 countries all over the world. So, nag-start po tayo sa London noong February last 2009. So, more than 3 years na po tayo after February 2011. So, who we are? Ang TBI Express Holidays Philippines Incorporated is the official business name in the country. Dito po sa Pilipinas, tayo po ay nakasec and BIR registered. May office address po tayo sa 5th floor, Pearl Bank Tower Building, Valero Street, Salcedo Village, Makati City. So tayo po ay naka-registered sa SEC, tayo po ay nagbabayad po ng tax. So we have office at 5th floor, Pearl Bank Tower Building, 146 Valero Street, Salcedo Village, Makati City. So pwede nyo pong bisitahin po yan para makita nyo po ang opisina po natin. So we have offices in Indonesia, we have also in United Kingdom, India, South Africa. Nagbukas din po tayo noong November 25 sa Bangladesh. And we have upcoming offices in South Korea. Actually, nag-open na po ito noong January 18, Dubai, Kazakhstan, and Sri Lanka. Okay? So, dito po, ano po ang marireceive po ninyo once you become a member of Travel Ventures International? So, you will get a 7 nights, 8 days resort or 3 nights, 4 days hotel. All properties will be 3 to 5 star ratings and offer exclusive taxes and processing fees. So, meron po tayo dyang nakaalat po na 95,000 hotels and resorts worldwide. And meron po tayong TVI debit card soon. So, lalabas po ito sa atin dito sa Pilipinas. And another benefits po, you will get a 20 to 50% lifetime discounts to over 200,000 hotels and resorts worldwide. So, yan po ay tax excluded and accommodation charges. So, meron po tayong free self-replicating website para po ma-manage po ninyo ang inyong business. So, meron po tayong free access to high-quality business tools and virtual office to manage your business. Kaya ito na nga po yung sinasabi ko po kanina. So, example po ng atin pong mga hotels and resorts worldwide, it's not, ito po yung mga hotel po na pwede po natin gamitin once we become a TBI member. Pero hindi po tayo directly pupunta. Ituturo po natin yan. Because you will be provided with your own online booking portal. So, dito po sa Philippines, meron tayo dyan mga resort din. Okay? So, for example, in Indonesia, we have 100 plus hotels. In Singapore, we have 50 plus hotels. In Hong Kong, we have 61 plus hotels. And Taiwan, we have 25 hotels. And Japan, we have 26 plus hotels and resorts. So, we have in Thailand, 320 plus. Okay? So, we have in Canada, 210 plus hotels and resorts. We have in America, nasa 10,000 plus hotels and resorts po yan. Sa Europe, we have over 130,000 plus hotels and resorts worldwide. So, ito po ay hindi po fixed na number po ng mga hotels sa mga bansa pong yan. Yan po ay nag-iiba-iba po. Basta, choose from over 295,000 plus hotels in over 210 countries. So, ito po yung example ng aming youth vacation. Okay? So, ito po ay ginamit po namin noong July 8 to July 15, 2011 a 7 nights, 8 days vacation po sa Leisure Vacation Suites in Baguio City. So, ang regular rate po natin dyan is 5,500 per night. So, 38,500 po dapat ang bayaran namin per unit kasi po dalawa po kinuha namin. So, it's 3-story with full kitchen. Dapat to 77,000 but as a TVI member, we only paid 15,000 pesos na tax. So, we save almost 62,000. Ito yung sumunod po namin na ginamit noong August 6 to August 8, 2011. 2 nights, 3 days hotel accommodation paying 9,600. So, ito po ay sa Hostel 1632. Malapit lang po ito sa Robinsons, Malate. So, yan po yung ipipresent po ninyo. The booking confirmation. May separate training po na sa atin yan para makuha nyo po yan. But we only pay 1,184. So, we save almost 8,416. So, ito naman po, nung ginamit po namin sa H2O Hotel, which katabi po yan ng Manila Ocean Park, tapat po ng Luneta, 11,300 per night. So, sa discounts po natin, we only paid 2,300. So, we save almost 9,000 po. With full breakfast pa po yan, worth 1,200. So, dito po, marireceive nyo po yung benefits na 20 to 50% discounts and the bonus package po na once you become a member of TBI Express. Okay? So ito naman po yung isa po sa mga ginamit din po noong nagstay po sa Laguna Boracay Resort, just paying 7,500 for 7 nights, 8 days. If not being a member, our room cost to $270 per day or 11,340 per night, or a total of 79,380. So malaki po talaga ang masisave nyo once you become a member of TVI kung kayo po ay mahilig magbakasyon at mag-check-in po sa mga hotels and resorts. Okay? So magkano naman po natin ibinebenta po yung ating package pricing, no? So magkano po natin ino-offer sa market yung ating pong services. So ito po ay 16,800. So 15,000 plus 12% VAT. So yung 16,800 po, that is a one-time lifetime membership. So meron po kayong may enjoy dyan na libreng bakasyon at pre-accommodation po, no? So sa totoo lang po, ito pong ating 16,800, kung iisipin po ninyo na ito po ay gastos, malaki po talaga ito. Pero sa amin po kasi na mga gumagawa po nitong Travel Ventures International, karamihan po ay nai-enjoy po ang bakasyon once na ginawa na po ang business. Dahil po itong ating TVI Express, sabi nga, TVI also provides you a global business opportunity to create a solid income pipeline for you and your family. So ito po, pwede pong magbigay po sa inyo ng income through 16,800. So sabi nga, 16,800, one-time lifetime membership, ito po ba ay big capital for a business? Hindi po, kasi po ito po ay small capital lang, but you can earn big. So ito po ay one-time lifetime membership, but you can earn over and over again. So papaano po ang sistema po natin? Okay? Ayan po yung 16.8. No? So, TVI Express Business Rewards Plan. So, mamaya po natin i-discuss po yan on the second part of our presentation. So, sabi nga po, make money while you sleep. So, travel, earn, and own a global business. So, wag nyo pong isipin na ito po ay pangmaliitang negosyo. No? Ito po ay malakihan. We are existing in 210 countries. So, ang maganda po dito sa susunod ko pong presentation, dun nyo po makikita kung paano po kayo magkakaroon ng earnings. Okay? So, bakit po pala in ang TVI? Okay? Because we are engaged in a mega trend, no? Yung pong papausong negosyo. So, ano po ba yung the 3 mega trends in business today? So, TVI has combined the 3 most growing and popular trends today to form a business concept which leverages the power of each one of them. So, ano po ba yan? Travel and tourism. It's a 7 trillion a year industry. Kung meron po tayong industriya dito na billion-dollar industry, kasi po marami po sa ating mga kasama sa industriya ang nasa food supplement, it's a billion-dollar industry, pero ang travel and tourism po is a trillion-dollar industry. Kahit po may economic crisis, hindi ho bumabagsak ang travel and tourism. And the internet. So, kaya nga po tayo nagpipresent dito sa internet because this is a way of presenting our business. And usong-uso din po ang mga Facebook and other networking sites. So, it's a 1.7 billion internet users and rising, and the home-based business phenomenon. Pwede nyo po itong gawin kahit nasa bahay lang po kayo. Okay? So, ganun lang po yan. So, we have 427 billion a year industry. So, how will you earn money? Kasi po dito po ay meron tayong tinatawag na rewards plan. Okay? So, step 1 lang po, purchase our International Travel Membership Club and enjoy our privileges. I suggest po, pag kayo po ay nag-member, gamitin nyo po agad ang inyong bonus package or the discounts po sa mga hotels and resorts. So, sabi nga po ng iba, paano kung hindi naman po ako nagta-travel? So, pwede po na ipangregalo nyo po ito sa kaibigan po ninyo. O kaya po, katulad po namin, nagustuhan po namin dito yung business. So, yung business po ang ginagawa po namin. Step 2, introduce to only 2 of your friends to qualify. Okay, only 2 muna po. Sa umpisa po, 2 lang po, no? Pero kung mas marami po kayong kaibigan, mas maganda. Then cycle out of the traveler board and express board and earn $500 and $10,000 over and over again. Okay, so putulin ko muna po yung presentation. We will get back to you. Kasunod po nito yung ating part 2. Doon po natin i-discuss yung ating marketing plan. Okay? Hope you will stay with me. Thank you.